Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Garry Dean. Garry Dean's Rapid Ride Rehab. Today, I'm going to get started on this 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. And it needs everything. Let me show it to you. Alright, so it has no interior, no glass, no engine. It definitely has all the suspension and that kind of thing on it still. It is a roller. I rolled it in here. The transmission's in there still, but no engine. And for the most part, this thing isn't horrible. These front fenders are pretty smooth. And yes, if you're a Volkswagen Beetle enthusiast, you will know that these are fender seals and they've been primed over. My job is not to remove those fenders. I negotiated a deal where everybody's happy. I'm gonna make some money. The customer's gonna get a great end result. But this is not show car perfection work that I will be doing on this car. However, it's gonna be really, really good work. I am going to be painting right over these seals. The client understands. He specifically told me, don't remove the fenders. Leave them on, paint over the seals. So that's what I'm gonna do, just to get that out of the way from the get-go. This is a new hood that he put on. It had some issues. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of body work on these. You can see that's all messed up right there. These little areas, it's got a big dent right there. I gotta fix. I think it's just got filler that needs to be smoothed out underneath that primer. Anyway, you can see it's got dents in it. I'm not gonna go crazy. There'll be no hog wilding. Yes, I said it. There'll be no hog wilding on this thing. I'm gonna try to get this thing from this condition to body worked, primed, painted, and clear coated in 7 days. I'm giving myself 7 days. Actually, that's not even true. It's more like 8 days. Today's Wednesday, so I'll be working on it today, tomorrow, and Friday. Not all day Friday. I have a couple other jobs. And then all next week, I'll be knocking this thing out unless I get other smaller jobs in between. But I'm giving myself 7 days to get this thing complete. Got a little bit of body work to do on the hood. The front two fenders are pretty good. This panel here is gonna need a little bit of work. You can see that it's got some Bondo that needs to be smoothed out. Got some chips. Not real worried about this kind of stuff either because the bumper comes through here. So there'll be a bumper on the front. You won't be able to see most of that stuff on the lower section. Just gonna get it all smoothed out and nice. This fender's good. The doors are pretty good. Got a couple spots on the bottom I've got to address. These quarter panels are pretty good as well. Need just not real body work, but more like smoothed out. I am going to have to do some pretty extensive wave removal on the rear two fenders. This engine cover is pretty straight. That's also a new panel. This is going to need a little bit of body work. You can see it got some random stuff going on. And then this fender needs it's all wavy right in here. So not a ton of body work, but definitely more than I actually agreed to, but that's okay. Sometimes you figure shit out as you go, and that's where you're at. The roof seems pretty straight. Not real worried about the roof. These louvers here, everything looks all right. I might have to get in there with some sandpaper and go to town, but for the most part, this thing's pretty straight, and I don't have to tape anything up. I'm gonna cover the wheels and tires, even though they're gonna replace them. These are the originals, and my recommendation was to let me have the tires unmounted and then clean them up real good and paint them the factory color, and he could put those horseshoe or half moon or whatever they call them, moon hubcaps that they use on these, but he doesn't want to do that. He's putting on aftermarket wheels. So I'm just going to cover the wheels up, and that's it. So you see it now, and with any luck, I can get it complete and ready for my client by next Friday. But I'll bring you along for the ride as I go. But this is part one, 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. This is the before the Garry Dean action. All right, well, thanks for watching part one. I'll bring you back for part two when I've got this bodywork straight and probably the primer done. Catch you on the next one.